what are we at? We are at the, yeah, good chiropractor. Quit you bitching. That's my kind of card. So, guys, let's just clarify something. Power bodybuilding did not do 100% last week, but that is absolutely okay. Bodies feel beat up, even though we had been doing the blitz, the tryouts, and whatever else you want to call it. It just shows you that this plan is such a different plan, and it hits your body so much more by lifting the weights. Um, I would say heavier weights properly. That we are so sore. We were so sore last week that I could not even walk when I did my quad workout. So we've been seeing the chiropractor pretty much every day for probably 10 days now. Yeah, he wanted to see us and kind of get our bodies back to normal. So I'm gonna tell you though something like really crazy. So I've been deadlifting for me pretty heavy. I've been going up to like 315 and playing with the weight. After
Say that again?
315 and playing
And
with the
playing
weight,
with it.
yeah, here and there, 245 for 10, 15, whatever. That's not the point. What I'm trying to tell you is this. I was lifting good weight with my body being broken, he calls it, the chiropractor. So my posture was like so wrong, and it got used to lifting the weight that way, that now that my body is fixed 99%, when I did deadlifts last week, my back was hurting a little bit.
Okay.
So I realized, because my body is getting back to being where it needs to be.
Yeah.
I'm talking about I had all kind of issues. I had, sciatica. I had all kind of issues. They were kicking in, and that's fixed now. So I wasn't like sure why I was feeling this pain on the right side, and then Mike was like, "Hey, your body now is actually the way it's supposed to be. Your posture is better, so now you have to get used to lifting the weight the right way." So I am excited to see my x-rays. We took x-rays a few weeks ago, probably like 10 weeks ago. And now I'm excited to see my x-rays coming up. Is he here? Oh no! Oh no, every time he cracks my neck, I feel like he's gonna rip my head off. I'm holding on to the table. Hi, Doc.
Oh, snap.
Live.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're doing little
so-
YouTube that's going up on my page today. So.
Let's do it.
Yeah, and okay, how do you want me? I never asked
Face
Mike.
down.
Face down. I never asked Mike how you want me.
Hey. Same answer.
Yeah.
Face down.
There we go. All right.
I speak for Mike also.
Yes, he does.
Okay. Turn the head for me.
Yeah, we-
Good. Other way.
Okay. It pulls on this side. Let's
Yeah.
start with
Back
that.
to the, so it's when you turn to the right, you feel it pulling on the right.
Pull it right here.
Okay. So back to the center. So that means something's getting caught somewhere.
Yeah. Something.
Something's getting caught somewhere. That's how specific I am. Let it go.
Oh.
Here you go. Breathe.
Yeah.
Okay, now turn your head.
Never bones like that for me.
Better?
Better
Other way.
already. Better already.
See, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Wow.
That's it. Just get started here. So we got C6 here. Were you like that? Let's really see if we can get some shoulder audio. Good. Okay, turn over, face out.
Oh, much better now. After that, you cracked the S6, whatever that was. Okay.
Whatever it was. I don't know.
Yep.
I just call it the neck bone. Okay. It's connected to the hip bone.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
I know
lift
that
up the
song.
head. Yeah. Okay, lift the leg. Straight. Okay, resist. Okay, this
Why
side.
am I so weak today?
Resist. You're not weak on
Yeah,
your
this
side,
side
facing
did it.
this way. It's just you've lost the connection
You
between your
see?
brain
You
and the
see,
muscle
I told
fibers.
you guys.
I told her that.
Nothing on her
I
is
told her
weak.
that.
Don't call yourself weak. You are strong. Shoulder back. I got you. Shoulder up. There it is. Face up now.
I'm scared of it every time
Hold the
I'm
leg
here.
up again. Okay, and then resist. Oh.
I'm not. You're right.
If
I'm
you
not
were weak, that wouldn't have came back because you're weak. Okay, hug, lift up the head, and then we got T6. There it is. Keep breathing, and then hold the arm. Resist. That's good. Resist.
Yeah.
When I'm shaking, you're good. Okay, and then there you come over here, and then let's see what we can get up in here. I think there might be a little more. Just a tiny one, little baby one, I swear, shoulder. See, it's just a little baby one.
I don't know why I'm scared of that every time.
I know. Maybe it's because I paralyzed someone last week.
What?
No,
No, you didn't. No. Right before the crack?
Yeah.
Too? All right. Well, so I was saying that I was deadlifting last week. We
Yes.
started this power bodybuilding
Yes.
program. And
Is that what this stands for?
what's that? Oh yeah, power bodybuilding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plant-based.
Plant-based,
And,
for sure.
And then when I was lifting, I was feeling my back a little bit on the right
Yes.
side. And then I was like, why am I feeling this? And
Uh-huh.
I realized, Mike was like, now because he fixed you. So now your body has to get used to lifting
You
this
have to
way.
retrain
because I
it,
was,
yes.
retrain the body. Because I
Uh-huh.
was used to lifting it, not wrong, but my body was all whacked out
Ah.
for so long.
Yeah.
That I was used to it. So
Yeah,
I didn't
it
realize
thinks
it.
being out is normal.
Exactly.
Now
So
we have to
now,
retrain
so
it
I went
in.
lighter on weight, and
Oh,
I'm
good for
retraining
you.
the
I
body.
know.
See that?
Retraining your brain.
Yeah, exactly.
'Cause it's